Question: given sec theta is equal to 13/12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. sec theta is equal to 13/12 दिया गया है और बाकी शेष सभी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो हमें फाइंड करना है. It is given that sec theta is equal to 13/12. Let it is triangle ABC. This angle is theta. Sec theta is equal to 13/12. It is inverse of cos. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Adjacent side को बेस भी बोलते हैं, अपोजिट साइड को परपेंडिकुलर भी बोलते हैं. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Is equal to AC upon AB. Let AC is equal to 13K and AB is equal to 12K. In right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. AC is 13K, AB is 12K, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB is 12K, BC we have to find, AC is 13K, it is 144K square. K square. और BC square equal to 169K square minus 144K square. K square. Taking square root, BC is equal to 5K. We have to find all other trigonometric ratios. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse or opposite side upon hypotenuse. BC upon AC. 5K upon 13K. K cancel is equal to 5 upon 13. Now cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side AB, hypotenuse AC. 12K upon 13K. K cancel. 12 upon 13. Tan theta. Opposite side upon adjacent side. BC upon AB. 5K upon 12K. K cancel. 5 upon 12. Cosec theta. Equal to 1 upon sin theta. साइन थीटा इज 5/13 इक्वल टू, नीचे का फ्रैक्शन चेंज हो जाएगा, पलट जाएगा, 13/5। सेक थीटा ऑलरेडी गिवन, कॉट थीटा 1/tan थीटा, tan theta is 5/12 is equal to 12/5. Question: if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Let it is triangle ABC, right angled at C. A and B angles are acute angles less than 90 degree. It is given that cos A is equal to cos B. Cos A is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse AC upon AB. Cos B is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse BC upon AB. AB cancel, AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. Therefore, their opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B. In triangle ABC, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Proved. Question: if cot theta is equal to 7/8, evaluate number 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Number 2, cot square theta. Let triangle PQR is an right angled triangle, right angled at R. Let this angle is theta, angle Q is theta, then side QR is base or adjacent side, side PR is perpendicular, कैपिटल P लिख सकते हैं, और अपोजिट साइड एंड साइड अपोजिट टू 90 डिग्री हाइपोटेनियस, कैपिटल H लिख सकते हैं, बेस परपेंडिकुलर हाइपोटेनियस, एडजेसेंट साइड अपोजिट साइड एंड हाइपोटेनियस. It is given that cos theta is equal to 7/8. Base upon perpendicular. Base is 7. Perpendicular is 8. Let base QR is equal to 7K. And perpendicular P is equal to 8K. Base 7K and perpendicular P 8K. In right triangle PQR by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equal to QR square plus PR square. PQ we have to find H square, QR is 7K, PR is 8K, 49K square plus 64K square. (113K square) or H is equal to root 113K square. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse 8K upon root 113K. is equal to KK cancel 8 upon root 113. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse 7K upon root 113K. is equal to 7 upon root 113. We have to find the value of number 1. This expression number 1, 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Putting the values of sin theta and cos theta, applying formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square 1 minus sin square theta. A plus b into a minus b 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 8 upon root 113 square 1 minus 7 upon root 113 square. One minus 64 upon 113, 49 upon 113. LCM 113 minus 64. 113 minus 49. 49 upon 64. Continued. We can evaluate this by second method. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Using identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square 1 square minus sin square theta. Similarly, denominator will be 1 minus cos square theta. Using another identity 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta equal to cot square theta equal to 7 by 8 whole square is equal to 49 by 64. It is second method. Now second part, cot square theta. Putting the value of cot theta 7 by 8 7 square 49, 8 square 64. Answer